Hello, in this video I want to show you how to charge your Pico VR headset. And to do this, first you'll need to get the charger. It can be the same charger as most of the smartphones have right now. The only thing is USB-C plug. Next is to find the USB port on your device and simply connect the charger to power source and plug to the charging port. Now your Pico should start charging, and you can see it by the LED lamp glowing on the right side of the VR set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.